I think as a community, we should all be sad and looking for ways that we can address individuals like this effectively, because what we've done thus far hasn't been effective.
Orange-Osceola State Attorney Monique Worrell responding to a disturbing case of attempted rape. 54-year-old Frederick Howard was arrested earlier this week. Deputies say he attacked and tried to rape an 18-year-old at an Orange County hotel. What makes it even worse, deputies say he was released from jail just 1 week prior. News 6's Catherine Silver is following this story. Catherine, the state attorney is defending her office's actions once again.
Yes, you may recall that both the governor and Osceola County Sheriff have recently criticized State Attorney Monique Worrell for how her office has handled previous prosecutions. In this case, a man who has spent 3 decades in and out of prison was released from jail after a carjacking. Court records show that just days later, he was arrested again, this time for trying to rape a girl in her hotel room. Deputies in Orange County say the 18-year-old victim was staying at this hotel off Orange Blossom Trail Monday when a man forced his way into her room. Frederick Howard is now facing multiple charges, including attempted sexual battery. In his arrest report, he told detectives he had just been let out of jail days earlier.
I think as a community, this is a really sad day.
State Attorney Monique Worrell addressing the questions about why Howard was out on the streets at a press conference Thursday. She says he was arrested on a carjacking charge in May. He spent just over 30 days in jail before he was released. The reasoning, prosecutors did not file formal charges within the time required by law.
Unless there is substantial evidence in which the state can go forward without the testimony of the victim, the state cannot proceed with charges because they will be unable to prove that case beyond a reasonable doubt.
Worrell says in this case, that victim's account was crucial, and without it, prosecutors could not prove their case.
On the 31st, the assistant state attorney reached out to law enforcement, again requesting contact information for the victim.
Worrell listing the times her office tried to reach that victim without results.
We will not go forward on a case that we can't prove beyond a reasonable doubt. And while I understand that is frustrating when you feel that you have someone who's dangerous, the reality is that people are innocent until proven guilty.
She did acknowledge the suspect's lengthy record. Robbery, assault, and battery charges, among others noted in DOC records. His total time served in prison, nearly 24 years of his life. And right now, Howard is behind bars without bond. Both the carjacking and attempted sex battery cases are ongoing. I did reach out to the Orlando Police Department, who handled that carjacking case. A spokesperson tells me that the victim is homeless and they did not have a current address or any other contact information to share. Police called the state attorney's comments today disappointing. I'm live in Orange County. Catherine Silver, getting results, News 6.